Hi, I'm Jermal Chandler with SIBO Global Markets, and this is Volatility 411 for Thursday, April 16th. Once again, we had initial jobless claims, 5.2 million people filing for unemployment. That brings the 1 month total to about 22 million. And once again, that's not a surprise. A lot of the economic data we've been getting recently is pretty abysmal, to be honest with you. Philly Fed, industrial production, retail sales, empire manufacturing, all very bad. And then when you hear Barry Diller on CNBC this morning talking about advertising revenue going to be way down this year, it's not surprising because a lot of what we're seeing in the economy is starting to show through in economic data. However, we see the S&P 500 rise up off of that bad news today. And the truth is that right now, virus data is arguably a little more important than economic data. Anytime you hear things about flattening the curve, you typically see the market rise somewhat on that type of data. So it'll be interesting to see going forward how the market figures out the work from home consumer and the post-virus consumer. S&P 500 is down 13% year to date. The NASDAQ is almost up year to date, which is interesting. So you're seeing this divergence there between those two indexes. The work from home stocks, I mean, they are really kind of moving to new highs. You're seeing Netflix, Microsoft, Amazon, Roku, Slack Technologies, Zoom. These type of stocks have been leading the market recently. VIX index is 42.3. We saw that drop below 40 earlier in the week. So you're seeing a rise once again in the VIX index. In VIX options, we saw an interesting trade today. Somebody bought the July 40-45 call spread and then sold the downside July 22 puts to finance that. So that's an interesting trade. That's usually the type of trade you see somebody buy as they are looking to protect themselves from upside moves in the VIX. They bought that spread for $1.19, 15,000 times. So we'll keep an eye on that one and see how it works out. For Volatility 411, I'm Jermal Chandler. Have a great day.